kids! Today we are drawing elephant family. Let's draw together. First, we draw mother elephant. We are drawing face of the mother elephant. Look at the eyes. Wow, so cute eyes.
Rock-a-bye baby.
So awesome! Now we are drawing baby elephant. Baby elephant is just besides of her mother. So cute, baby elephant. Do you know, elephant is the biggest animal of the earth? If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Let's do coloring.
Baby is drowsy, cozy and fair. Mother sits near in her rocking chair. Forward and back, the cradle she swings. Though baby sleeps, he hears what she sings. From the high rooftops down to the sea, no one's as dear as baby to me. Wee little fingers, eyes wide and bright, now sound asleep until morning light.
See you in next video. Take care.